Hi dear students, in this session let us discuss about the classification of matter. Matter has been classified mainly into two types, mixtures and pure substances. Again, mixtures have been classified into two types, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Pure substances are also classified into two types, elements and compounds. Let us know about a mixture. A mixture contains two or more substances present in any ratio. For example, sugar solution in water and tea. These are the examples of a mixture. The components of a mixture can be separated by using physical methods such as simple hand picking, filtration, crystallization, distillation. Let us discuss about types of mixture. First one is homogeneous mixture. It is a type of mixture having single phase and uniform composition. For example, sugar solution, though it contains two components, that is sugar and water, the phase is single and it has got uniform composition. Hence, it is an example of homogeneous mixture. Second type is heterogeneous mixture. It is a type of mixture having more than one phase and non-uniform composition. For example, salt and sugar mixture. Let us know about pure substances. Pure substances have fixed composition and the components in fixed ratio. Examples are copper, silver, gold, water, glucose. Glucose is a pure substance because it contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a fixed ratio. That is, there are 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. Hence, glucose is a pure substance. The components of pure substances cannot be separated by simple physical methods. Pure substances are classified into two types, elements and compounds. Let us know the definition of element. An element has only one type of particles, which may be atoms or molecules. Examples of elements are sodium, copper, silver, hydrogen, oxygen. A compound has two or more atoms of different elements. That means a compound contains two or more atoms of different elements. Example, water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, sugar. Hydrogen and oxygen are gases, which are the elements, but the compound formed by their combination, that is water, is a liquid. Hydrogen burns with a pop sound, that is, it is explosive in nature, and oxygen is a supporter of combustion. That means oxygen helps in a combustion process, but water, which is a compound formed by the combination of hydrogen and oxygen, is used as a fire extinguisher. That means the properties of elements are different from the properties of compounds formed by these elements. The constituents of a compound can't be separated by physical methods but can be separated by chemical methods. Let us know about representation of atoms. Atoms of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, copper and sodium can be represented like this. And a molecule of hydrogen is formed by the combination of two hydrogen atoms. Similarly, a molecule of oxygen, that is O2, is formed by the combination of two oxygen atoms. Water molecule can be represented like this. The oxygen is bonded with two hydrogen atoms to form H2O. In carbon dioxide molecule, carbon atom bonds with two oxygen atoms to form a carbon dioxide molecule. Let us know about the properties of matter and their measurement. First type of properties are physical properties. Physical properties are the properties which can be measured or observed without changing the identity or the composition of a substance. Examples of physical properties are color, odor, melting point, boiling point, density. The second type of properties of matter are the chemical properties. The chemical properties are the properties which can be measured or observed by changing the identity or the composition of the substance. Examples of chemical properties are acidity, basicity, combustibility. Let us know about International System of Units, that is SI units. In first column we have physical quantity, in second column symbol for that quantity, in third column name of SI unit, in fourth column symbol for SI unit. First physical quantity is length. The symbol for this length is capital L and name of SI unit is meter. Symbol for SI unit is small m. Second physical quantity is mass, which is denoted by capital M and name of SI unit for mass is kilogram and symbol for kilogram is kg. Third physical quantity is time, denoted by capital T and name of SI unit for time is second and symbol for second is small s. Fourth physical quantity is electric current, denoted by capital I. Name of SI unit for electric current is ampere and ampere is denoted by capital A. Fifth physical quantity is temperature, denoted by capital T. Name of the SI unit for temperature is Kelvin, which is denoted by capital K. Sixth physical quantity is amount of substance, which is denoted by capital M and name of SI unit for amount of substance is mole, which is denoted by MOL. And seventh physical quantity is luminous intensity, denoted by capital IV. Name of SI unit for luminous intensity is candela. Symbol for SI unit that is candela is CD. Let us know about the multiples and their prefixes and their symbols. 10 to the power minus 9 minus 15 has prefix femto, which is denoted by capital F. The multiple, that is 10 to the power minus 12, has prefix pico, which is denoted by small p. The multiple 10 to the power minus 9 has prefix nano, denoted by capital N. The multiple 10 to the power minus 6 has prefix micro denoted by mu. The multiple 10 to the power minus 3 has prefix milli denoted by small m. The multiple 10 to the power minus 2 has prefix centi denoted by small c. The multiple 10 to the power minus 1 has prefix deci denoted by capital D. The multiple 10 to the power 1 has prefix deca denoted by dA. The multiple 10 to the power 3 has prefix kilo denoted by small k. The multiple 10 to the power 6 has prefix mega denoted by capital M. The multiple 10 to the power 9 has prefix giga denoted by capital G. The multiple 10 to the power 12 has prefix tera denoted by capital T.